Hey, and welcome back to WEBA. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily and quickly pair your HK9 Ultra Big 2.2 smartwatch, alright? So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, before we get started, we need two things. First, your smartwatch and smartphone both fully charged. Second step, make sure your phone has Bluetooth and location turned on. Got it? Here's the location and here's the Bluetooth. With both things ready, we are all set. Third thing to keep in mind, your watch must be close to your phone, otherwise it won't be able to pair. Fourth step, make sure it is not in airplane mode or do not disturb mode, and always keep them turned off, okay? Pairing with Fit Pro. With all that set up and explained, let's go to the pairing process. First, open your photo app, then go here and tap the QR code. Now use your QR code scanner app and scan it. Very good. Once scanned, it will open a page. The page is, of course, for Fit Pro. If you have an iPhone, tap the first option, this one right here. If you have an Android phone, tap the second option, the green one. And if you're in China, click the third option. Just know that the app only works in China. Since I am in Latin America and my phone is Android, I'm going to tap install from Google Play. Installation and permissions. Now, let's wait for the app to install and we will be right back. Alright, we are back. So, once the app is installed, tap open. Then just agree to everything, absolutely everything that pops up. Tap agree, allow, and always allow. Connection settings. Alright, next we will go for more settings and tap on blind device to experience more features. Once you do that, always remember to keep the watch and phone close. Make sure they are fully charged and that your phone has Bluetooth and GPS turned on. Pairing process. Now it shows Ultra here. Tap it, and after that you will start to see your watch connect to your phone. You will notice that time will change and other things will start sighting, and just like that, it's done. Here you can see the time shows 15:14. Now you can't change this from 24 hours to 12 hours format. That's not possible. Message and calls. Now I want to point out that with this smartwatch you can't reply to message directly. For example, if someone sends you a Facebook message, you will only be able to read it. However, when it comes to call, that is totally different, because if I deal a number here, it will call. It will be able to talk through the watch and also hear through it. I will be able to talk through the watch and also hear through it. Bluetooth pairing request. If by any chance you get this Bluetooth pairing request alert, always tap pair. What's that for? That's so you can hear the other person through the watch and also speak through it. Upcoming video and sign off. In another video, I will also show you how to connect your social media accounts, and I will leave that link right here. I also explain how to charge the watch face. I also explain how to change the watch face to have more customized backgrounds. And well, that is today's video. I hope you like it, that it helps you out. Give me a like, drop a comment and share this video. It really helps us a lot to reach more people. Without anything else to say, take care, see you in the next one. Bye bye.